president, Isa.
Boss!
And I have a present for you. You're the best.
Yay!
Hey everyone, welcome to our Jules Craft presentation on this President's Day. It's Presents Day, the time that is here, and now we present you this gift to show how we rock in the Rocky Mountains. So we are rocking on a rocking chair with Barrack Obama, snacking on broccoli in the Rocky Mountains. And
the Rocky Mountain honeycomb.
oh, I love it, yeah! I rock, you rock with Barrack Obama. I snack, you snack on broccoli with your mama. I reupholstered this rocking chair with memory foam so we could remember this memory with this poem. We live in our Rocky Mountain home where our hearts live to give all day long. We love being busy bees in our honey home, so enjoy our productive, constructive, creative time.
You
Shine
love me.
and be strong.
I love you. We love each other together. No matter what the weather is, but we're better together.
That's right, honey.
That's how we do the end.
It's great. I think we got it. Yeah.
Yeah!
Falling off the rocker. You're gonna fall off the rocker too. It's like, ready? Woo!
Love you, baby.
That was not even broccoli.
Good job.
Yeah.